Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you on how to fix app not installed as app isn't compatible with your phone on Samsung and all Android. So first thing we're gonna need to do is to check if the application that you're trying to download is compatible to your region. So if it's not compatible, then you just have to use a VPN, which is a trusted VPN. So you can download any VPN that works good or well to your region. So the next method is to update our Android. So to do that, just go to your settings and then go to about device. And then from here, just tap on that Realme. But it depends on your Android or phone. So for me, I'm using the Realme, so I'll just tap on this one. And you just have to update our version and to make sure that it's up to date to avoid bugs and glitches. So if the issue still persists, then we have to clear cache. So to do that, just go to your settings again and then tap on the apps. Then just go ahead and go to app management. Tap on the search bar and search for Play. And then tap on Google Play Store. From here, tap on storage usage. And then here you can clear cache or clear the data. So just tap on clear cache. And that should help fix the issue. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!